I slept with my sister in my Gojo costume, but it was an accident, so it doesn't count, right? This Halloween I ended up going to a costume party. I went as Gojo with height shoes to make me taller and had a see-through blindfold with a wig. As the night progressed I loosened up with a few drinks. At some point I noticed this insanely hot Spider-Gwen chick with an amazing body. Fueled by a mix of drinks and confidence, I decided to shoot my shot like I was Devin Booker. I confidently walk up to her and we begin talking. She said, "So Gojo, are you on a mission to trap me in your domain expansion?" She asked in a playful voice. I grinned beneath my blindfold and replied, "I'm on a mission to show you my Glock Glock reversal technique." She laughed. The sound like music to my ears. This was light work for Gojo, so I put my arm around her and we locked eyes beneath our masks. She grabbed my hand and LED'd me to a dark, empty bedroom. Let's just say I hit her with purple hollowback shots. By the end of the night I offered to walk her home. I started to get a gut feeling when we turned into my street, and as she stopped in front of our house it all hit me at once. Holy moly, this was my sister. I ran so fast without saying another word, but game is game.